The living area felt unfinished, the dining lacked purpose, and the bedroom had no personality. Using modern coastal luxury design, this transformation focuses on key upgrades to create a cohesive, elegant space. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the living area, the space feels open, functional, and inviting. Next, the dining area. The dining setup complements the living area effortlessly. And in the bedroom, the layout creates a calm and organized retreat. Not everything had to be replaced. By keeping what worked and focusing upgrades, every space, from the living and dining areas to the bedroom, now feels complete and follows a cohesive, modern coastal luxury design. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.